Hi, my name is Dimitri, and welcome to another video from Wondershare EdrawMax. Are you looking for a way to enhance your productivity? In today's fast-moving world, enhancing our productivity and finding methods to streamline our workflows to accomplish more in less time has become increasingly crucial. That's where AI comes in. With the power to automate routine tasks and provide insights that would take us hours to uncover manually. But did you know that combining 2 or more AI tools can take your productivity to the next level? This video aims to demonstrate how you can combine some of the most sought after AI tools available today to optimize your workflow and significantly enhance your productivity. If you are someone who wants to get more done in less time, this video is for you. The first 2 AI tools we're gonna look at are ChatGPT and Midjourney. Well, ChatGPT is a hot topic nowadays and doesn't really require much introduction. It might be your first time hearing about Midjourney. This amazing AI tool can create stunning and breathtaking pieces of artwork using simple prompts. You can increase your productivity if you work on graphic works like web design, app design, brochures, card designs, and more. ChatGPT can help you fine-tune your prompts, while Midjourney can turn your thoughts into visual form. By using these in tandem, you can increase your productivity significantly and bring it to a whole new level. Number 2 is gonna be ChatGPT and Synthesia. By combining ChatGPT with another amazing tool, Synthesia, you might be asking, well, what is Synthesia? It's a great tool that lets you create videos in over 120 languages. All you need to do is provide a script and choose a realistic avatar from over 125 realistic options. And boom, your video is ready. You can easily customize the background, add transitions, and edit videos according to your needs. Am I gonna be out of a job? With ChatGPT, you can write top quality scripts before working with Synthesia. And then once they're ready, you use Synthesia to create these high quality videos using just your own system. Using the combination of Synthesia and ChatGPT not only saves you a lot of resources and increases your productivity, but you also gain a competitive edge from your rivals because of this workflow. Number 3, ChatGPT and Jasper. Now, the reason we're gonna combine ChatGPT and Jasper on this list might come as a bit of a surprise, because in a lot of ways, both of the tools do similar things. But not only are they both conversational AI tools trained with large data to answer questions and write content, but they also have a lot of differences between the 2 tools. For example, ChatGPT is just trained on a really much larger data set than Jasper, but similarly, Jasper is specific for your business, especially in marketing, SEO, and copywriting. Using both tools can really enhance your productivity, as one of them holds a huge amount of knowledge from general information, well, the other in Jasper knows how to customize that knowledge for a specific niche. For example, if you want to write a blog post or sales email, using ChatGPT and Jasper in tandem are going to make it top notch. Number 4, using ChatGPT and Wondershare Edraw. This last combination of AI tools is awesome because EdrawMax is a powerful and versatile diagramming software that helps you create a wide range of diagrams, such as flowcharts, organizational charts, mind maps, network diagrams, floor plans, and more. Now, it comes with an AI assistant that allows you to create mind maps and other diagrams using prompts. The process of taking AI's help here can take your productivity to whole new levels. As with simple prompts, you can easily create the whole diagram. Human intelligence mixed with powerful AI tools allows you to make the best and easy to understand mind maps. Furthermore, you can add a touch of personalization to the visuals, which is not possible for an AI program. Some of the benefits of adopting AI in Edraw obviously come with numerous improvements to your productivity, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what they are. First, since the AI assistant is based on ChatGPT, it learns from its environment and provides a better response each and every time. It means that the more you use the assistant on EdrawMax, the better it gets, which helps fuel your productivity. Now, with the AI assistant, you can get real-time data analysis of your work, meaning you're always aware of all necessary statistics. It also helps you in content creation because it's trained on a massive amount of data, and it improves both the quality and efficiency of your content. With AI assistant, you no longer need to worry about your design skills, as it will do all of the drawings for you. All you need to do is provide simple prompts and the AI will create the necessary drawings. All right, now after talking about all this, we're gonna demonstrate how easy it is to create mind mappings with the new AI assistant in EdrawMax, and we're gonna go through the steps of creating one. Mind mapping is a visual diagramming technique that helps organize and represent information, ideas, concepts, or tasks in a hierarchical and interconnected manner. It is a powerful tool for brainstorming, note-taking, problem-solving, planning, and organizing thoughts. So let's go through the steps of how to create a simple mind map. Now what you can do is launch Wondershare EdrawMax, and you can click on this special pop-up for AI Assistant. Here you can basically type your idea or query of what you want to create a mind map of, and then click execute command. So let's click on create mind map, and let's do, how do I improve my content workflow? And then you'll see it'll automatically generate a mind map based off of that. Now, isn't that absolutely awesome? This is crazy to me. Like the fact that I was able to just put in a query and it executes it like this, that's just awesome. Now, if I go to the AI section over here, I'm able to see that there are other things I can do here. So I could obviously go back into AI Assistant and further expand upon this mind map. And I also can do a few other things like text breaks, polishing text. When I click on any of these, you'll see that there's the option to text break, polish text, continue to expand the mind map. So if I, for example, with this section, I could do continue to expand. It's gonna work on this part of the request. You can see right here, it just did. And this is just so cool that this is automatically populating these. I can obviously change the tone here, make it shorter or longer, very similar to what you can do in other AI tools like ChatGPT. And then on the top left here, I could also do one-click edit, where I can change the overall style. So say, for example, I wanted to make it look more formal. I wanted to unify the font to a different font, change the colors, unify paragraphs, and then smart analysis as well. Now, the AI assistant made it very easy to create mind maps and other diagrams using simple prompts. Whether you want to create a sales pitch or even plan a holiday, below are some examples of real-life questions and prompts for them. So the first thing I can do, for example, at work, I could ask it the question, how can I prioritize my tasks and responsibilities to make the most of my time? And you'll see over here, the AI will start working on my request, just like ChatGPT. All right, then we can complete this. And then another one will be create a mind map outlining the ideal structure of a sales pitch, just like before, which it's still blowing my mind that this is a thing. It's creating this outline of the sales pitch. Introduction, build rapport, identify customer needs, present a solution, overcome objections, call to action, closing. So good. Another example of this would be brainstorm 10 potential challenges and risks associated with launching a new product. And we'll break it down for us just like this, just like ChatGPT. So this also can be used for personal needs as well. So for example, like what are some budgeting strategies for saving money? Create a mind map of different budgeting methods and their benefits. And then you can see it's giving us a list of different ones here in a mind map format. So about 6 different options to choose from. And then it can be used for brainstorming, like how can I plan and organize a memorable family vacation? And I love the detail that it's going into here, really solid. And then last but not least, how can I develop a healthy exercise routine? And it's so great to have these kind of ideations and idea creations built right into a software that you're going to mind map things out. And obviously it's even better that the AI assistant can create the mind maps, lists, tables, flowcharts, all for you. And with that, this video has come to an end. In this video, we have discussed many combinations of AI tools that can increase your productivity. ChatGPT is a great multi-talented tool that can be used with many tools. With Midjourney, you can create amazing art and design, while Synthesia allows you to create videos with your own script. Using ChatGPT and Jasper together, you can also create high-quality SEO optimized content. When it comes to creating mind maps, though, the AI assistant in EdrawMax is your best bet. It can create a detailed and comprehensive mind map for you in a matter of seconds. In short, using AI tools to their maximum potential can increase your productivity by leaps and bounds. For instance, an entrepreneur can retrieve a complete plan on how to process an entire project with minimal resources. In other scenarios, marketing personnel can create a complete marketing strategy for launching a product for a specific company. This shows that using AI tools can feature enhanced productivity for users of all professions. Edraw is all set to release its comprehensive set of AI tools for the market. With cognitive AI mind map creation to content generation, Edraw provides some great features for enhanced productivity. Continuing with options like OCR, text extraction, and AI flowchart creation, you will surely find EdrawMax as one of the most helpful options. For more information, do wait for our entire AI series, which is all set to launch on our channel. Keep following us for more content.